Welcome to the world of photography, where you have a collection of lot of gadgets, techniques, training, and showcasing different new latest cameras and expert photographers taking classes and teaching different types of techniques on recording, photography, and other techniques, which is housed with a lot of new entrants in the field of photography. Welcome, enjoy the tour. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
S9 ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಈಗ ಹೊಸತ್ತು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆದದ್ದು. ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಇದು 24 ಮೆಗಾ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್. ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಟ್ಸ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಉಂಟು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಬಂದುಂಟು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದರದ್ದು ಫುಟೇಜ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬಿಗೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಇದು ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್.
ಹೌದು, ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ S9 ಲುಮಿಕ್ಸ್.
ಇದು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟರ್ನ್. ಇದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ವಿವಲಿಂಗ್ LED ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಕಾನಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಲುಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ವಿವಲಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಸಿಗೋದು. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಮೇಕಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಏನು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು? 2060 ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್
5.6
ಇದು
ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಜಿಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಅದೇ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ
ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅದು ಲುಮಿಕ್ಸ್ S5 Mark II ಅದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದರದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ ಲುಮಿಕ್ಸ್ S5 Mark II. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಯಾವುದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹಳೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು ಏನು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇದು?
ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ SLR ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಿರರ್ಲೆಸ್.
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮಿರರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ
ಮಿರರ್ಲೆಸ್
ಈಗ ಬರೋದೇ ಮಿರರ್ಲೆಸ್. DSLR ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇದು ಮಿರರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು 25-30 ವರ್ಷ ಓಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ.
ಆರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಲುಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದು.
ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಒಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ.
So, yeah, I can explain it. So this is a drone actually. So it has 4K resolution camera. It has 48 megapixel camera. You can use it for 30 fps and 60 fps, both the things. It can go up to 120 meters height and it can go up to 3 kilometers to 5 kilometers radius. So this is a basic thing that every drone has. But the advanced thing that we are providing is this motion control. So this is an advanced controls that we have. In this motion controller we have 3 options, 3 controls. First thing is a voice control. Let's say hello drone take off for 1 meter, it will take off for 1 meter. Let's say hello drone turn right after a meter, it will turn right after a meter. Hello drone, let's say have a safe land. Wherever the drone is within 3 kilometers, it will land on the takeoff point where it takes off. This is the second thing is follow up option. So if I am flying this drone next to you and I am just giving the drone giving this transmitter to you, wherever you go, drone will automatically follow you. And third thing is 360 angle motion sensor. So while clicking this, whatever you do, drone will automatically do that. So the major important thing is this VR glasses. We are going to provide this VR glasses with the same drone. So this VR glasses is used for, so while using this, if you turn left, drone will automatically turn left. If you turn right, drone will automatically turn right. If you see up and down, drone gimbal will go up and down. And we are going to provide you 2 batteries. Each battery will give you up to 30 minutes of flying time. So almost 1 hour of flying time you are going to get. So we are going to give everything with a cost of 76,500. With VR, with motion controller, with drone, with the joystick, with 2 batteries, extra propeller guard, everything is coming under 76,500. This is an output video.
Excuse me.
Yes.
This VR controlled drone, what you are selling,
Yes.
is it used by mobile app or what?
Yes, it is used by mobile app. We have an app called Drone.
Drone.
Yes, you should fix it mobile. You should fix your mobile on that. Yeah. For this we have an inbuilt display,
Okay.
and this we have an inbuilt Wi-Fi. So if you are connecting Wi-Fi to your laptop, the display will be shown there.
Do you have any calibration mode or require
We
any
do have a calibration mode.
So we have to calibrate wherever some new place where you go.
Yes, we have to calibrate.
So calibration is a must.
Yes, absolutely. We have to do, and we don't have an obstacle sensor.
What is the pixels video you are getting?
48 megapixel. 48 megapixel camera, and we have 4K resolution.
In the gimbal, what do you have? Is it a mechanical gimbal or electronic gimbal?
I'll give you. That's the pilot. Excuse me, pilot.
Show the gimbal, please. Show the gimbal to camera. So mechanical gimbal. Okay. And so mechanical gimbal. Do you have any last mode? Suppose I lose the drone.
We have a log
You
actually.
are able to locate the drone.
We have a log actually. We have an inbuilt log.
So you can detect.
Yes.
We have a beep sound where you go nearby and
Yes, we have
recover the
a log actually. We can find you the location.
that's not the way. So normally what happens, I will be somewhere 200, 2000 meters away. So if I lose the drone, then normally when the other drones what we do is, we give a beep sound, but then when you go near to the drone, we give higher sound. So it will easily
No,
locate.
that we don't have.
It's a GPS
We
control.
have a GPS. We have a
It's a
GPS.
GPS.
We have a GPS.
You think of these controls also.
Obviously, we'll do that. So I'll take your feedbacks actually. We'll do that.
Okay, your good name? Your good name, please.
We have an artist. This is Bhargav, sir.
Very good, Bhargav. Good presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. This is an Indian make.
It's an Indian manufacturer, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a brand ambassador for this.
Wow, very good.
He is a brand ambassador.
Fantastic.
So, made in India.
Made in India.
Yes.
Good. Will I take this?
Yeah, you can.
What about after sales service?
We do have that, sir, actually. So within a week, we can complete all the services. We do have a separate after-sales team. And we do have 6 months warranty too.
6 months warranty.
Yes, we do have 6 months warranty.
Now you can see a modernmost, latest cinematographic cameras and devices which are used for taking movies, series, serials and different online mode editing facilities. You can take different modes of movies and different effects like these cameras are very rare to see for a common man. It is ranging from 18 lakhs to 2.5 to 3 crores each camera. It's a pleasure to watch these cameras at least once in a lifetime. Now you see these are some new gadgets which have different capabilities and new dimensions of photography and videography. So you see this round disc, one should stand on this disc and this arm which is extended, the arm which is extended will have a mobile holder where the mobile is mounted on one of the end and it is rotated. The man is standing in the center. When it rotates, it gives a 360 degrees view of the object. See, this is how it goes. Whenever this motor is on, it takes 360 degrees photography, videography, which is very useful to give different effects. And this is how you look. This is a picture of the There's a video of the picture taken using those bench. It's very interesting. Very interesting character. This is selfie gimbals. Using AI technology, one can take their own selfie with different effects. There are so many preset effects, and you can select the effect, and then you can just click a photograph. The photographs you see now, you can see the procedure. That man will stand in front of that, and they'll press it. Then you get the option for selecting the different modes, and you get the mode whatever you have. You can get a picture with that mode on the screen, and once the photo is clicked, then it will ask for, there will be a code there. You have to use a cache. There will be a scan. There is a project for scanning. You can scan this and take the picture on Google Photo and then store it with you. It is very useful for any malls or public places, and then make some money out of this. This is a very interesting gadget. See, this is how it comes. And we have so many modes to select. And this is how my picture came when I selected this mode. This is another group photo mode. It's similar to what we saw earlier. This is without AI, where you can keep it in marriages, marriage halls or public places, where you can take selfie group photographs with all the effects. Your written name, you can write the name and write the date of marriage and all the details. It can be recorded with a normal SLR camera mounted there, and you can preserve the picture on your mobile.